Create and apply recurring invoice templates. Templates are useful to help you save time whenever you are starting a new recurring invoice, since the templates save information that you no longer have to fill out manually every time. To create recurring invoice templates, go to Templates, Firm Templates, and open the Recurring Invoices tab. Click Create Template. This will open the Create Recurring Invoice Template window. Name your template and add an optional description outlining what's included in the invoice. You can use shortcodes to change information automatically so that it reflects such data as the account name or month the invoice is for. You can add a name for the invoice that will be visible to your clients. Select how often you want invoices sent to your client in the Recurrence drop-down. Select Custom if no option suits you and you want to create special recurrences. In the Recurrences field, enter the number of times you want this process to repeat. On the left side, on the Starts On field, select if you want the recurrence to begin once your client has accepted the invoice or on a specific date. The Choose a Payment Method drop-down allows you to choose how your clients will pay invoices, either by debit card, credit card, or both. The team member is the person on your team who will be in charge of these invoices. In the Payment Authorization section, you have two options: automatic payment, in which the client authorizes payment once and the following charges will happen automatically, or manual payment of invoice, where the client pays each invoice manually. We recommend the first option. The Line Items section allows you to specify the services you are charging your clients for. Select an existing service or create a new one. Fill in the rate field and set the quantity for each service. If you click the Tax box, the tax rate selected here in the Summary section will be added to your total. Confirm that everything on the payment schedule is how you want it. If there is anything you must change, do it now, but you can always come back later to adjust it. For example, let's say that I want this to be 10 recurrences instead of 12. I'll go back to the top, to the Recurrences section, and correct it. Coming back to the bottom of the page, I can see that the number of invoices is exactly the number that I want. Don't forget to click the Save and Exit button after everything is set. To apply an invoice template, we will create a new invoice. Click New and select Invoice. Select any client, click Recurring, and in the Invoice Template section, choose the one we just created. Complete the invoice section. With the instructions you've learned in other videos from this tutorial, click Create, and that's it. Now you know how to create and apply recurring invoice templates.